1, 2, 3, 4,
Wow!
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow. 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 Show me them muscles then. Show me them muscles, bro. Yeah? Yeah? Yes, so 3, 2, 1, go. Get him, Ashland. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. AJ, you should dodge him. Go left, go right, go left, go right. Oh, he fell over. Come on. Don't give up so easy. Get him, get him. Get him, Ashland. Oh, yes. Yes, AJ. That's it. You go left, then you go right, and then you go up, then you go down, and then you spin around. Yeah, yes. Got him, Ashland. Yes.
Get the ball.
Yes. Well done, dude. Well done. Respect, man. Right. You're not doing a respect, man, because he caught you. Well, you can get a respect for that one. A respect. So take a break, and then Ashland, he's going to chase you. So you have to be really quick, and you have to do some of these. Left, right, you know, and confuse him. Yeah? You sure you're ready? Go. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Get him. Go, Ashland, go, go, go. Ashland, don't let him catch you, go. Now it's my turn.
Oh, come on.
It's my turn now. It's my turn now. Catch your breath. Catch your breath.
I'm tired.
I know. Catch your breath. Because you'll need all of that energy to catch me.
It's actually something a quick time to get Ashland and it took him to get me.
Catch your breath, bro. Because you need all of that energy to catch me. Because I'm like Flash.
Let's go.
Yeah?
3, 2,
Wait. Ready? 3, 2, 1, come. Whoa, whoa! Look! I left him on the floor! I left him on the floor! I left him on the floor! Come on, man! Don't give up so easy. I don't teach my children to give up. Come on! Whoa! 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 See? I thought you said you can't teach an old dog new tricks. Now you have to swallow that. Dad, you can't teach an old dog new tricks. Look at him. Yeah? Now the old dog is teaching him new tricks. And he can't even keep up.
Thank you. Ashland, I did it.
You know one thing that you can say about the old dog? The old dog is getting tired. Are you tired? Me too. Oh my goodness.
That was hard work.
And you couldn't catch me. You couldn't catch me, could you?
Yeah.
Well, in the end, but look what happened first. I left you on the floor, man. Huh? The whole point is to evade capture.
My turn again.
Are we going to go again?
Yeah.
So me and you, we need to catch AJ, yeah?
Yeah.
Ready? Yeah. Oh. Okay. I still can't catch my breath. Bro, you know what you look like?
Yeah, I feel like a fat tummy.
Like a pregnant woman.
Yeah.
Bro.
3, 2, 1,
Go, Ashton. Go, go, go. Get him. Get him. I'm right behind you. Come, Ashland. Come, Ashland. I'm a military man and I'm gonna flank him. Ashland, I'm flanking him to the left, yeah? Ashland, I'm flanking him to the left. You have to flank him to the... Yes! Yes! That's what I call teamwork. High five.
Again.
Yes. You see what I did? Did you see what I did, Ashland?
Yeah.
I flanked him to the left and you flanked him to the right. And then he had nowhere to go. Yeah? You got him. Yeah.
Wait. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. I just want a 3-second head start. 1.
Do you want my assistance or can you handle it all by yourself?
I need help.
Really?
Yeah.
Bro, you're bigger than him. You're like 9 years old and he's 6. Literally, if you take 9, flip it upside down, that's him. 6, and you can't catch him. Come back this way. Social distancing, bro. Come back. Hey, come this way. 3 meters, okay? He gave up because he was tired, I guess.
I tripped over the grass.
You tripped over the grass. Look how big you are, and look at the grass, and you tripped over it. Really?
I tripped over this one, and then my
Bro,
feet
bro,
went on
bro.
there.
That sounds like an excuse. You fell over because you're tired. Just admit it, okay?
No.
Just admit it, man. Yeah?
Who is that screaming?
I don't know.
Could you go a bit easier on us?
Go a bit easy on you. For real? Are you the same person a few minutes ago that said, "Oh, Dad, let me tell you something. You can't teach an old dog new tricks"? Are you the same boy that said that?
No.
Are you the same boy that said that?
No.
Well, watch this old dog teach this young boy new tricks.
No.
Or should I say young boys new tricks. And I'm going easy. I'm actually going easy, bro. I'm actually going easy. Look, 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 look. Look, 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 look. I'm actually going easy. Look, 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 look. I'm actually going easy. Look, look, look. Why do you think I've been eating all that vegan food?
Talk too much.
Why do you think I've been eating all that vegan food, bro?
I got the phone. I'm still holding on to his leg.
Why do you think I've been eating all that vegan food?
I got
Huh?
you're vegan.
Just to have a six-pack?
No, because you're vegan. I my back.
Okay. Okay, I am.
Have another chat. No. Can you give up? Dad. Again, I will. Stop now.
All right, come. Come,
Come,
Ashland. Jump up as well. Come, Ashland, get up.
Wait, my foot.
What? What's wrong with your foot? Get up then. Ashland, you won?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, this is going to take all of my strength. Ready?
Yeah.
Hold on tight, okay? Hold Hold on tight, Aslan. Hold on tight. Look, Aslan took your spot.
Get down.
So, what we're gonna do is, when I was a little boy growing up, there's a game that we used to play
Where someone goes on your shoulder,
called
your
donkey,
back, and
donkey,
then you
donkey,
have to
donkey.
kick people's death.
But look,
I want to go on your back. I want to go on your back.
the corner of your mouth.
I want to go on your back, Dad. AJ, let's have a ride.
Wait, AJ, no, we're gonna play donkey, man. You remember? The game. So, Aslan,
Huh?
hold on tight, yeah?
Okay.
So what we have to do is we have to play donkey,
Yeah.
and then you have to kick AJ with this foot, yeah?
Yeah.
Come. Don't run. Fight. 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 Come on. Fight. Fight. Get him, Aslan. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Okay, come. Come. Okay. You up? Come on, get him. Get him. Don't run. Stand up and fight. Fight like a 6-year-old boy. Look at him running away.
Scaredy cat, scaredy cat.
Come on, fight like a 6-year-old.
I know.